Mohawk SpeedLane lets you turn your two-post lift into a quick drive-on lift for cars and light trucks. The SpeedLane is great for increasing efficiency of oil changes, tire and brake service, and underbody work in high-volume shops. All without needing to adjust the swing arms, leaving the tires hanging free and being easily converted back in seconds. The steps are simple. We'll show you how easy it is. Align your swing arms and insert the guide pins. Seat the SpeedLane pins in the holes on the swing arms. Easily drive on the Mohawk SpeedLane and lift your vehicle. Mohawk SpeedLane gives you full working access to the underside of the car with the tires hanging free. Just as easily, lower your vehicle and drive off. Ready for your next job, all without having to adjust the swing arms.